Welcome to one kanji a day. Today, a special one. Open a Japanese calendar, a train timetable, or a shop notice, and the day of the week is sitting right there in kanji. Learn 7 characters, and you can read every one of them.
The days always look like a wall of symbols to me. I never know whether a shop is closed on the day I turn up.
By the end of this, you will read all 7 days, plus the word for week and the word for weekend. 10 characters, and they are some of the friendliest in the language. Let us begin.
Start with the one I see everywhere. This simple box with a line through it.
That is nichi, or he. It means sun, and it means day. Picture the sun in the sky. Nichiobi, with this at the front, is Sunday, the Sunday.
So the sun character gives me Sunday, the first day on the calendar.
Exactly. It is also the character in Nihon, Japan, the land of the rising sun. Sun, day, Japan, all from this one little box.
Next to it, this curved one that looks like it is leaning over.
That is getsu, or tsuki. It means moon, and it means month. Getsuyobi is Monday, the moon day. The moon follows the sun, so Monday follows Sunday.
Sun, then moon, Sunday, then Monday. That order actually helps me.
It does. And because the moon marks a month, Ichigatsu is January, the first month. One character carrying both moon and month.
This one looks like a little figure with sparks flying off it.
Good eye. That is the picture exactly. Ka or he meaning fire. Kayobi is Tuesday, the fire day. Think of flames on the 3rd day of the week.
Sun, moon, fire. The week is turning into the elements.
That is the whole secret. The middle 5 days are the 5 classic elements. Fire also sits inside Kazan, a volcano.
This next one really does look like water splashing.
It does. That is sui, or mizu, water. Suyobi is Wednesday, the water day, right in the middle of the week.
Fire on Tuesday, water on Wednesday. Someone planned this nicely.
The old order runs fire, water, wood. Mizu is also the everyday word for the water you order at any restaurant. Wednesday is the water day.
This one clearly looks like a tree.
Because it is a tree. Moku, or ki, wood and tree. Mokuyobi is Thursday, the wood day. Picture a tree growing on the 4th day.
Sun, moon, fire, water, wood. I am actually keeping up.
You are flying. This is also just the plain word for a tree you point at in a park. Thursday is the wood day.
This one I think I already met in the money lesson.
You did. Welcome back. Kin, or kane, gold and money. Kinyobi is Friday, the gold day, and happily it is also payday for a lot of people.
So, the money character doubles as Friday, gold to close out the working week.
A nice coincidence to remember it by. Gold day, payday, Friday, the favorite of the 7 for many.
Last of the 7. This little cross with a base under it.
That is du, or tsuchi, earth and soil. Doyobi is Saturday, the earth day, the ground under your feet, rounding off the week.
Sun, moon, fire, water, wood, gold, earth. That is the full set.
That is all 7. It is also the character for soil in a garden or a field. Anything of the earth. Saturday is the earth day.
But every day name had a piece in common after the element. What is that?
Sharp. The middle character is you, and it means day of the week. It is the same in all 7. Sun you day, moon you day, and so on.
So the pattern is element, then this you character, then the day character.
Exactly. Yobi means day of the week. Once you spot this character, you know the word in front of it is naming a day.
And if I want to talk about the whole week, not just one day?
Then you want shuu. It means week. Konshu is this week. Raishu is next week. Senshu was last week.
So, shuu wraps all 7 days into a single idea.
It does. Maishu means every week. Anytime you are planning ahead, this is the character you're looking for.
Last one. I really need the word for the 2 days I actually rest.
Then you need matsu or sue. It means end. Shumatsu, weekend, is the weekend. Getsumatsu is the end of the month.
So week plus end gives me weekend, the 2 best characters together.
Well said. Shumatsu is your Saturday and Sunday. Learn this and you can finally ask someone when they are free.
Sun, moon, fire, water, wood, gold, earth, the day marker, week, and weekend. I could read a Japanese calendar tomorrow.
That is the whole idea. 7 days the U marker, week and weekend. 1 kanji a day, and the calendar stops being a wall of symbols. See you tomorrow.